Happy birthday to you.
What's that, my love? What did you make me?
My not so fluffy pancakes and scrambled eggs.
I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you more.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pero siya yung unang titikim. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, babe. Thank you, my love. Ah. Lovely. Not so fluffy pancakes. I love it, sweetie. Thank you. Kasi ikaw first bite?
Yeah. No, just so I know that I don't give you food poisoning.
Bakit naman food poisoning?
I don't know.
Was good?
I mean, it's good with the eggs.
Birthday girls, breakfast for today made by Kuya Lucho, and Luna gave me a flower bouquet. Si Ate tulog pa. Daddy gave me my watch. Best birthday ever. Epula. Sorry, love. It's chewy.
Not so fluffy.
Nalaglag pala to. Good job, babe.
What do you think I should have made better?
More practice, but so good. Oh, so much flowers. This is from Angelica. Thank you, love. Balloons and blooms. Nabigla ang tinawagan ni Tipi dahil wala naman talagang plano ngayon. So, bigla ako nagkaroon ng dekorasyon. Thanks, nako. From Papa Dom, Dan, and Sandro. This is from Mommy Jane and family. And, of course, from my dear Mike. This is from Bakla. Okay. From Tatay Loren. And from the Eat Bulaga family. Salamat po. This is from my Kabechi. I love you. So, ang saya-saya ko. Ang dami kong flowers! Ito yung matindi, oh. Yung big nagulat ako, may lechon ako. Padala ni Ate Sharon. Thanks, Ate. Sa aking lechon. Mahahappy ng bongga lalo nito si Lucho. Thank you po. I love you. I love you. But I think one of the best birthday gifts ever is this headband. Gawa ni Bunny. Nag-crochet siya ng headband for me. Parang cute. Special shout out to Chef Chin of Pio's Kitchen. Thank you very much. Alam ko super last minute to dahil kahapon lang ako nag-order. Pero pinagbigyan mo ako kahit may event ka. I love you. Salamat ng bonggang-bongga. Hindi kasi talaga kompleto ang okasyon sa bahay pag walang Pio's Paella.